Hello everyone, and welcome to this tutorial. In today's guide, we're going to walk you through two simple and effective ways to save your contacts directly to your SIM card using a Samsung smartphone. This is especially useful if you're planning to switch devices, change phones, or just want to keep a backup of important contacts on your SIM card so they're always with you, regardless of the phone you use. Let's get started. Method 1. Save a new contact directly to SIM. The first method is by saving a contact directly to the SIM card as you're adding it. Here's how to do it. 1. Open the Phone app or Contacts app on your Samsung phone. 2. Tap the plus add button to create a new contact. 3. You will see a prompt at the top that lets you choose where to save the contact, such as phone, Google account, or SIM card. 4. Select SIM card. 5. Enter the contact's name and number, and then tap Save. Just like that, the contact is now stored on your SIM card and can be accessed from other phones that use the same SIM. Method 2. Move or copy existing contacts to SIM card. Now let's move on to the second method. This is how you transfer multiple existing contacts from your phone or Google account to your SIM card. Here's how. 1. Open the Contacts app. 2. Tap the three dots menu, or more, depending on your phone model, then go to Manage Contacts. 3. Tap on Export Contacts. 4. Then choose SIM card as the destination. You can choose SIM 1 or SIM 2. 5. Select the contacts you want to move, or tap All to select everything. 6. Tap Done, then tap Export. And tap Export again, then click OK, and wait a few seconds for the process to complete. And that's it. Your contacts are now safely backed up to your SIM card. So there you have it. 2 easy ways to save contacts to your SIM card on a Samsung phone. Whether you're looking to protect your data, switch phones, or simply stay organized, this method ensures your contacts are always within reach. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more useful tech tips and tutorials. See you in the next video.